No. He's got rivets holding these fuckers to the spindles. Look at that. So you know what that means.
Gonna knock them off?
We got a situation, okay?
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Over here. Okay, right here. Now, we're gonna have to call the parts guy because that looks like the drum, Charlie. It looks like the drum, but the problem is it's a factory drum, and I bought them this way before with the spindle installed. Okay. You see there?
Yeah.
The hub is pop riveted onto this. There's 1, 2, and 3. But then if you look at that one versus this one has some kind of hole in it right here. So it's different, dude. There's 3 different. You know what? That might be where another rivet goes. What do we... I don't know. So what's the real situation here, Charlie? Do we got to break them rivets off? Do we got to get those... Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's call Mike over at Napa, where we bought these, and see what he says. A professional guy, okay? Let's get him on the honker, bud. Do a little honking. Bring it up here. Stay right there.
Just calling Napa now. How can I help you?
Is Mike there, please?
Yeah, 1 second. You want me to answer your question?
I don't think it's right, Charlie. Something's wrong here. Is this the new design? Is this the way that they come now? I don't know. We're gonna.
I can help you.
Yeah, Mike, this is Pete.
Hey.
Hey, let me ask you a question on them drums that I bought. Okay, they're a little bit different than the drums that are on the car.
Okay.
Okay, the drums that I have on the car, the hub is literally, it's pop riveted, not pop riveted, it's riveted, machine riveted to the drum itself. And the drum that I have here has a bigger lip. The original one has a bigger lip than the one that you gave me. Is there a problem with it, or? I mean, is there a difference, or what? I mean. I'm sorry, what?
It shouldn't be. That's the only thing that fit those years.
Okay, but I mean, what's the situation here? Because when I bought front hubs before, I mean, when I brought drums before, it came with the hub itself. These ones don't have the hub on them.
I've never sold a drum with the hub in it for front.
For a 1966 Chevy truck?
Or anything.
So these must be the factory drums on here then. I wonder if I ought to stick with those or literally break the, break the rivets off and put the new ones on. What would you do?
Well, if the drums could be turned, I'd just use the original drums.
Yeah. All right, well, let me inspect them, check them out, and then I'll get back with you, bud.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, Charlie, you see the problem that we've incurred here, dude? Okay.
Yeah.
Mike says he's never sold them like that. Now, I can swear up and down that when I restored my 1962 Ford Galaxy, which this is a 66, okay, when I was going to put the drum brakes on it, the hubs were actually on the drums. Now, I don't know if I bought them from them or wherever I bought them from, but the hubs were already installed on it, okay? And I've done this before, and I've actually bought drums. Maybe I haven't. I don't know. You know, I don't fucking know! And there's a lot of grooves in that, look.
Ooh.
That wouldn't make for a new. So basically what you're saying is I gotta break these fucking rivets off Let's see if we can get that one off, and let's look at that. Now that one ain't pop rivet, but it's got the 3 holes, look. It's got the 3 holes like it would be pop riveted. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Of course, we got to be very, very careful not to fuck our studs up. I really, really want to replace the drums. I really would rather do that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's it, dude, right there. That's it. What a fucking joke, man. I was just thinking, those might not even be, you know, these might not even be rivets. These are probably just line-up holes.
Studs? Just line them up?
Maybe they're just studs just to put it on there. You see what I'm saying? But why would they do that when they have all these to line it up?
I don't know.
Does that make sense? Yeah, they're rivets, dude. They're rivets, bud. I'm gonna set this bastard on here like this. I'm gonna go. Something's wrong. That should have popped out of there, Charlie. Don't you agree? It's rivets, bud. Fucking rivets. So, you see the problem that we have here is, yes, my friend Pete runs into situations just like you do. My friend Pete's got to figure out the situation just like you do. The only problem between you and me, the advantage of you are learning from my mistakes. And if I fuck it up, I made the mistake. Does that make sense, Charlie?
Yep.
Okay, do you see what I'm saying? That's... Let me go get my air chisel. Be right back. Do you have your safety glasses? Where the fuck are they, Charlie? Get them on, bud.
Shit, no. Gotta go over
Fucking
and get
headphones as well.
Here, I gotta get a pair.
Where's the yellow ones you were using, Charlie? That you had so conveniently put away to use every day?
I don't know where.
Find them. And when you're doing a job like this, it's always important that you use your safety equipment, okay? Safety is the main factor in this type of job versus anything else. And there's the bit I was looking for right there. Learn from my mistakes, okay? Makes you a smarter person. Right?
Yep.
No, Charlie, that's not going to work. I don't even think this is going to make it come out, really. We're going to try. Boy, I better be careful with that. Fuck those up. We're screwed. I can't fucking see where the fuck it went. Let's try this now. Look right here. Get back up and zoom in, Charlie. You're gonna fucking break my microphone. Let me cut the rest of these off and we'll see where we're going to go with it. Alright? There you go, look at that. Did you get that? Now, what I'm going to do So I'm going to go ahead and grind those flush. See if I can get them out, Charlie. All right?
All right.
Let's see what happens, bud. Bastard motherfucker. There you go. It was riveted, Charlie. There it is, right there. So you just learned from my mistakes, okay? You just learned that's what's got to be done. That's what you got to do when working on a 1966 GMC/Chevy pickup truck. Okay, that isn't how it was with my Ford. That wasn't how the fuck do I know, Charlie? That was 3 years ago, 4 years ago, okay? What we got here, we got to get these brakes done. Charlie, you need to get that other one off so we can get her done. Let's get to the point where we can actually replace the brakes, Charlie!
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.